Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Here we are going to study Surah Al Naba, which is Makki Surah. And in this Surah, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala mentioned some of His blessing on the people, and as well as He described the circumstances at the time of day hereafter. Let us start. Amma yatasa'alun. About what are they asking each other? Amma, this word is made of two words of Arabic, an and ma. An and ma. Amma, it's mean about what? Yatasaalun, questioning each other. And the whole verse meaning is about what are they asking each other? Anin naba il azim. Naba means a big news, a big event, which means a day hereafter. About the great event, الذي هم فيه مختلفون, in which they dispute. This means the event of resurrection. The pagans used to deny it on the ground that once a human being is turned into dust, it is impossible for anyone to revive him. The forthcoming verses point out to Allah's all-encompassing power with which He has created marvelous objects of the universe. If He had the power to create the universe out of nothing, how can one deny His power to raise human beings again? Kalla sayalamun, indeed they will soon know. Thumma kalla sayalamun, again indeed they will soon know. It means when they will be raised at the time of the day of resurrection, they will know. Alam naj'alil arda mihada. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned some of his blessings on the people. Did we not make the earth a floor? Wal jibala autada, and the mountains bulwarks. Wa khalaqnakum azwaja, and we have created you in pairs. وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا, and made your sleep a source of rest. وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا, and made the night a covering. وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا, and made the day a source of livelihood. وَبَنَيْنَا فَوْقَكُمْ سَبْعًا شِدَادًا, and we have built 7 strong skies upon you. وَجَعَلْنَا سِرَاجًا وَهَاجًا, and created a luminous lamp which is the sun. وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ الْمُعْصِرَاتِ مَاءً ثَجَّاجًا, and we have sent down abundant water from the rain-laden clouds. لِنُخْرِجَ بِهِ حَبًّا وَنَبَاتًا, so that we bring out therewith grain and vegetation. وَجَنَّاتٍ أَلْفَافًا, and thick gardens. Inna yawmal fasli kana miqata, surely the day of decision is an appointed time. It's mean yawmal fasl, day of decision means the day of resurrection, day of hereafter. Yawma yunfakhu fis suri fatatuna afwaja, a day when the trumpet will be blown, so you will come in multitudes. And this incident will be done in 2 times. For the first time, when trumpet will be blown, all the people on the earth would die. And the second time, when the trumpet will be blown, all the people in the grave would come out, and they will start to gather into Medan Hashar. وَفُتِحَتِ السَّمَاءُ فَكَانَتْ أَبْوَابًا, and the sky will be opened, so it will become as gates. وَسُجِّرَتِ الْجِبَالُ فَكَانَتْ سَرَابًا, and the mountains will be set in motion, so they will be as mirage. Inna jahannama kanat mirsada, surely Jahannam, the hell, lurks in ambush. لِلطَّاغِينَ مَآبًا, it is abode for the rebellious people. لَابِثِينَ فِيهَا أَحْقَابًا, who will be abiding in it for ages. لَا يَذُوقُونَ فِيهَا, they will taste nothing cool in it. Bardan wala sharaba, it's mean la bardan wala sharaba, nothing cool in it nor a drink. Illa hamima wa ghassaqa, except boiling water and pus. Astaghfirullah. Na'udzu billahi min dhalik. Jaza'an wifaqa. This being a punishment fully commensurate with their deeds. إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا. They did not expect to face accounting of their deeds. It's mean they did not expect to the day of hereafter to the resurrection. وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا, and they rejected our signs totally. وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا, and everything from their deeds is thoroughly recorded by us in writing, that is by kiraman katibin. فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا. So now taste, we will add nothing to you but torment. This is the second ruku of Surah Al Naba, and in this ruku Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned some of his blessing on the believers at the time of resurrection. Inna lil muttaqina mafaza. Of course, the God fearing will have great achievement. Hadaiqa wa a'naba, gardens and grapes. Wa kawa'iba atraba, and buxom maidens of matching age. Wa ka'san dihaqa, and goblets filled up to the brim. لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا. They will not hear any vain talk therein nor lies. جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا. This being a reward from their Lord, a well calculated grant. رب السماوات والأرض, from the Lord of the heavens and the earth. وما بينهما, and what is between them. الرحمن, the all merciful. لا يملكون منه خطابا. No one will have power to address him. يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا. On the day when the spirit and the angels will stand in rows. لا يتكلمون, they will not speak. إلا, except the one. من أذن له الرحمن, except the one who is permitted by the Rahman, the All-Merciful Allah. وَقَالَ صَوَابًا, and he may speak aright. In this verse, Ruh means spirit, and spirits may be referring here to Jibreel alayhi salam, who is mentioned as separate from other angels because of his importance. And it may also mean all living creatures having souls. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all knowing. Wallahu a'lam. ذلك اليوم الحق, that is the day that is sure to come. فمن شاء, so whoever so wishes. اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا, may take refuge with his Lord. إِنَّا أَنذَرْنَاكُمْ عَذَابًا قَرِيبًا, we have warned you of an approaching torment that will be inflicted. يَوْمَ يَنْظُرُ الْمَرْءُ مَا قَدَّمَتْ يَدَاهُ, on a day when one will see what his hands have sent ahead. وَيَقُولُ الْكَافِرُ, and disbeliever will say, يَا لَيْتَنِي كُنْتُ تُرَابًا, oh would that I had turned into dust.